Hey dear viewers, welcome back to Mr. Tech Fox. Today in this video, I'm going to show you how to create a strong password. This is very simple and very easier. But before doing that, I'm requesting you to subscribe the channel and also requesting to like the video. So first of all we need to have a browser. So if you are using a phone, you need to use a browser, and as I'm using a browser here in my PC, so I am showing it here. Okay, so first of all I'm opening the Chrome browser and I'm selecting a profile here, and all I need to do right now, I need to search on the search bar strong password generator, and here we'll see many options like strongpasswordgenerator.org, avos.com, password generator, strong random password generator, one password. These all are the websites who provides strong passwords. By normally you can generate any passwords randomly actually. So let's check it out, one of them. So first of all I'm gonna try this one, strong password generator. Okay, so here we can select many options. You can select either what can be the length of your password actually. Here the random or default size or length is 15. You can change it. Suppose I'm gonna use a password of 8 length, then I'm selecting here 8. And if you want to use any special characters or uppercase lowercase on the generating the password, then you can choose it from here by clicking here. Suppose I'm choosing a symbol, so they will provide only symbols. Then if you select only numbers, they will provide only numbers. And as well as if you select only alphabet, lower alphabet, they will provide only alphabet. As well as if you select all of them, they will provide the passwords with all of them. Actually that's pretty fun. So let's make a password. So here I'm generating again and again. If you like the password, you can copy it from here. If you don't like it, then click on generate. So this is pretty easier. So there are many websites you can either try. That's all about today's video. See you in the next video.